Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, hi, my name is Sydney. I film beauty videos 3 times a week. And today's video is an update on my lip games series. This is a series that I'm doing in collaboration with my friend Alexandria. Her channel name is Eyes of Alexandria, and I will have everything of hers linked down below along with her version of this update video. So I created this series along with Alexandria as a way to kind of go through my lip products, really root out what I love, what I don't love anymore, shades that I'm not reaching for anymore, shades that I'm like, oh, I could use this as eyeshadow and never have. And yeah, we did the first update or the first installment of this series about a month ago. I'll link that down below if you guys didn't catch it. But yeah, I've now had sense to use those lippies for about a month, and I definitely have some thoughts, and I even have a declutter. So I'm super excited to get into this. So without further ado, let's hop into the lippies from last month and we'll talk about what we're going to use for the next month. Alright, so the first one up is this e.l.f. matte lip color. This one's in the shade Berry Sorbet, and it is the most beautiful, like, berry shade, you guys. Wasn't really planning on doing swatches, but I guess we are now. I only ended up wearing this twice, but it is such a beautiful shade, you guys. I absolutely adore the formula. It's matte, but it's super creamy. It feels, I don't know if it feels hydrating, but it definitely doesn't feel drying. It is very, very comfortable on the lips. It's just a dream to wear, you guys. It is a beautiful shade. It's one of those matte lipsticks that while it's still creamy and it isn't totally set down, it just wears off really, really beautifully. It leaves a really gorgeous stain on the lips. I love this lip color, and I'm definitely not decluttering this one. Next up is my ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lip. This one is in the shade Aquarius. This is just a beautiful kind of pinky, mauve-y, nudie, everyday gloss. I wore this 6 different times, which for me is pretty good. I know these numbers might be kind of low, but I am someone who bounces around with my lip products a lot, so 6 times is a big deal. I feel like I do want to aim to use the other lipsticks a little bit more frequently than I ended up using them this month, but we'll work on that. It's the first month. I'm still learning how I want to do this. But here's the shade. It's just a beautiful kind of everyday Your Lips But Better shade. I wore this one a ton. I probably would have worn it more, but I wore it out on a date and I like stuck it in my jean jacket pocket, and then I forgot it was in there and I only found it like 3 days ago. So this is a great everyday gloss. It's super easy to slap on, don't even need a mirror. Love this one. I'm very happy that I got some use out of it. Next, I have the Pretty Vulgar liquid lipstick. This one's in the shade My Lips Are Sealed. It's like a beautiful rose gold champagne tone. You guys, I thought I was gonna absolutely hate this, and until about 3 days ago, I thought I was gonna declutter it, but it's gonna hang on for a little bit longer. I actually ended up combining it with my e.l.f. matte lip color in the shade Praline. I'll insert a picture right here of what that lip combo looked like, and I thought those actually looked really, really pretty together. I just kind of focused this on the center of my lips, and I thought it was actually really, really pretty with that kind of brownie nudie tone. So this one's gonna hang on for a little bit longer. I'm not sure if it'll stay in my collection for forever, but for now I'm gonna hold on to it. We'll see as I go throughout the project if I find a similar shade in my collection, and maybe I'll declutter it, but here's what that one looks like. Now onto the one I am definitely going to declutter. This is the Jouer Mini Liquid Lipstick. This one's in the shade Rosé, and as you can tell, it's kind of a metallic mauve berry shade. Ugh, I don't know, you guys. I don't really know what I was thinking when I like kept this lipstick. I should have just not opened it and donated it or gave it to a friend. Well, you know what, in the swatch it does look really pretty, but on my lips it just, it makes me look so dead. It makes me look so washed out. I feel like on my lips it has like a really gray undertone that just does not do me any favors at all. Like, it looks pretty in a swatch, but on my lips I just do not enjoy this, so this is going to go to a new home, hopefully with someone who loves it a lot more than I do. Oh, and I forgot to say, I only wore this one once. That was enough, I decided, and then I wore this shade twice. Finally, we are on to the Physicians Formula Healthy Lip Liquid Lipstick. This one's in the shade Dose of Rose, and I ended up wearing this one 3 times. This is a really, really beautiful pink, you guys. It's definitely a little bit more bubblegummy than I go for on an everyday basis. I feel like I tend to go for more of those brownie pinks on an everyday basis, but it's still a really, really gorgeous color. It doesn't look so bubblegummy on my arms, but I feel like it comes off a little bit brighter on the lips. This is my absolute favorite liquid lipstick formula, so I have zero complaints about the formula. The color is really pretty, and even though it's not something I'm going to reach for every single day, I'm still happy to have it in my collection. So now that you guys have seen last month's picks, let's hop into what I'm going to be using for the next month. So the 5 lip products that I picked for this next month, I picked using a random number generator. I just kind of lined all my lipsticks up and I put them in an Excel spreadsheet, plugged it into random.org, and here was the outcome. So the first one that I grabbed was, or the first one that got chosen, was actually number 1 in my list, and it came from the everyday lip category. This is the Neutrogena Hydra Boost Hydrating Lip Shine. This one's in the shade Radiant Rose. If I remember correctly, this comes off much sheerer, and I'm actually really excited that I got this one because this was one that I was really hoping to get. It just seems like a really great everyday effortless gloss, so I'm super excited to use this one. And I am going to insert swatches of me applying all of these lip products as I kind of talk about them, just so you guys can kind of get a feel for what they look like on the lips. The next one that I chose was number 2, also from the everyday lip category. This is the Rimmel Provocalips 16-hour kiss proof lip color. This one is in the shade, I believe it's Make Your Move. I can never find the shade on this thing. I'm 98% sure it's Make Your Move, but this is one of those kind of 2-step lip products. This one's kind of like a liquid lips, and then this is a gloss balm that you put on top that's supposed to kind of make it a little bit more comfortable throughout the day and really refresh your lip look. I don't know if I've ever worn this for like an extended period of time, so I'm so excited to get some use out of this. Number 22 was from my minis category, and this is a Jouer liquid lipstick in the shade Naked. It's like a nice pinky nude shade, really great for everyday again. Most of these lippies are very everyday appropriate. The next one was number 18, and this is the Sonia Kashuk Sheer Luxe Lipstick. This one's in the shade Sheer Pink Lust. This is a gorgeous, like, glossy balm lipstick. It is so beautiful. I am very excited to wear it. And this one came from the Own for Over 2 Years category. And then finally, I chose number 14, which was the AOA Studio Liquid Lipstick. This one's in the shade Tease. It's this beautiful, like, dusty lilac shade. Oh, it's pretty. It's very much outside of my comfort zone, but it's a really fun shade, so I'm really excited to get some use out of it. So that's gonna wrap up this video, you guys. I am very excited to kind of get into these lip products, get a feel for them, and then share my thoughts with you guys next month, figure out if there are any that I can declutter or if they're all winners and I should keep them in my collection. But thank you all so much for watching. Make sure you go check out Alexandria's video. I am so excited to see what lippies she picks next, and I'm excited to hear her thoughts on the lippies that she already picked. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe if you want to see other installments of this series or more Shop My Stash videos. I do a ton of those on my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!